Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can change the wallpaper in Windows 11. So from your desktop here, you want to click on your background, right click like this, and then on right click, you want to tap on personalize like this. Now on personalize, you want to go to background. Now on background, you can see that this is the options we have. Right now, you can see, of course, our background is a picture, but if you see something else like a solid color, for example, make sure to change it to picture like this, right? Now you can change the background by using one of these presets, for example. So for example, I have this preset background on. You can see now my background is a preset Windows basic wallpaper like this, right? If I wanted to change it back to my normal one, I'll just press on it like that. And now my wallpaper is back to my normal one. If you want to use your own image, just go back here and then tap on browse photos. And on browse photos, use your desired photo as your background. For example, I'm just going to make my background this Microsoft logo, just like that. And you can see my background is now a generic Microsoft logo, just like that. I'm gonna turn it back to my original wallpaper like this. And then you can also have a setting if it'll fit to your desktop image or not. You can see there's stretch, style, center, span, or fill. If you'd like things like that, I'm just gonna keep it at fit. But if it's style, for example, here, it'll look like this. You might not see a difference because my background image is a perfect fit. But for example, if I go Microsoft here, you can see this is what the wallpaper will look like. This is what it looks like if it's center as well. It's like this. It's gonna get cut off. If it's fill, it'll look like this. If it's stretch, it'll stretch out to our computer screen so it fits everything. There's also span, so it looks like this. So that is how you change your wallpaper in Microsoft Windows. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.